Safety at Ryan Catholic College Junior Campus is of high priority because it contributes to creating conducive learning, teaching and play environments for students, staff and families. What does safety sound like at the junior campus? You'll hear students using their power actions when interacting with others. You'll hear students using anti-bullying strategies to solve issues. You'll also hear students referring to staff by their Christian names, which is something very unique and special about our college. It helps build positive relationships between students and staff. You'll hear fun and laughter from the students and staff, which shows that people feel comfortable and that good relationships have been built. You'll hear students showing good sportsmanship on and off the sporting field. By prioritising safety and continuously evaluating and improving existing measures, Ryan Catholic College creates a secure and conducive environment for everyone within its community. It's a safe and happy place to be.